Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to check required credit score for Lendio loans. Lendio works with a wide network of lenders, each with different credit requirements. Here's how to check what's needed. First, log into your Lendio account, and from the dashboard, you want to navigate to the loan options or eligibility section. There, select the loan product that you're interested in. Could be SBA loans, line of credit, or equipment financing, whatever it is. And you can click view requirements and just review the credit score guideline displayed. For example, SBA loans may require 650 plus credit scores, while merchant cash advance may allow much lower scores. Now, if your score isn't visible in Lendio, you can still complete the pre-qualification form, which checks eligibility across lenders without a hard credit pull. Once results are generated, you're going to see which product matches your profile. And if your score is below requirements, Lendio may recommend alternative funding options. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.